Ugh. Well, this is gonna be depressing, isn't it? November 2015. In a bit more than 60 seconds. Buckle up. The events of this month is like peering into the gloom. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Pray for Paris after a despicable attack. Cue the opinions of your friends on social media with a thwack. Left wing, right wing. Listen to my opinion, I'm the one that's right. My message to you, pick up a history book if you want to be bright. Like the plot of The Hangover 2, it's all happened before, and if you don't understand that, your opinions I deplore. On the topic of the worst hangover ever, Turkey downed a Russian jet. Yes, well, that was clever. A terrorist raid in Belgium kept secret by pictures of cats. And if you missed that news story, I'm not going to explain that. The government now owns your entire internet history. Storm Abigail and Barney made things a little bit blistery. The Christmas ads are here like a curse. Oi, open your purse. Your mood they'd like to lift. One wants you to send a man on the moon a gift. There was the day for bargain hunters they call Black Friday. To me, I just see headless chickens who think it's doomsday. Okay, sorry, did you want me to lighten the tone? Hang on, let me just suck some blood from this stone. Well, SeaWorld, they stopped their killer whale shows. Sorry, that's about it for this month's pros. I'm off. After all that, I need a cold beer. December's up next. Let's hope it really is the month of goodwill and cheer. We damn well need it.